So this morning I'm out driving around in order to find a place to propose to Mandy. And the thing is, it's going to be underwater, not above water. But I need to do a little bit of prep work, so I need to be able to access it now so I can get the area ready before it happens. So I'm trying to find a little secluded beach, but lots of these roads don't come up on Google Maps, or they end up just being really bad roads. So today I'm just trying to find the best access route and try to start getting everything figured out. But yeah, it should be T-minus 5 days, 4 days, not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. But I'll bring you guys along for the ride. So I believe I've made it to as far as I can rise. Now I'm gonna go by foot up through here. It's kind of tough around here because unless someone's making money off of it, they're not going to advertise trails or roads. So it looks like there's someone making money this direction. So I will actually, there's two different ways. It's so confusing because half the trails aren't even open anymore. They've just been dilapidated. Let's try to figure this out. Okay, I found this rope leading up here. Let's see what we can see. Okay, so that's Tenote Bay. There's really good cliff jumping off that rock. But I still want to go over that way. And I need to make it over this hill. But I'm not seeing an extremely good route. There's one route, but it's leading me up into the mountains here. So I might have to bushwhack. I just want to get up on that ridge line so I can see over to the other side. But yeah, I'm out of breath. It's hot. It does look pretty down there though, but don't let it deceive you. That place is full of jellyfish. There's a very, very faint trail right here, so I'm gonna follow this guy for a bit. See if it'll take me anywhere. Hopefully it takes me somewhere good instead of some camp I'm gonna get killed at. I don't know about this actually. Oh, maybe that? So hard to tell. And I'm at a dead end. I'm gonna try to backtrack and try a different route. It's so hot, I want to get to the beach soon because it's hot and I'm gonna pass out. So this is like an underground secret bar, but I'm sober right now and I was still scared for my life trying to walk around. But it's a really cool area. Try to get out to the lookout point. I don't know if I want to walk. This bar just kind of sprawls across all of these rocks, and it's a bit more of a cannabis bar than an alcohol bar. It's a cool area. But yeah, I definitely would not want to be intoxicated with anything trying to walk around out here. So I'm here at the bar, and I want to get over there to that little beach right there. But there's just no good route whatsoever. I'm not seeing a way to make it over there. So I'm gonna try to find my way across these rocks, but I didn't bring a waterproof bag today, and I have over $1,000 worth of electronics in my bag. So I'm not gonna do anything stupid, and I mean, I might even turn around right here. But I can't really get in the water too much, so I gotta be careful. I might have found a way through. It's kind of a cave system down here. I'm gonna try to make my way through, see if I can get across. So there's no way through here, and I don't really trust the integrity of all these rocks. I don't know how long they've been here and how stable they are. So I'm gonna hide my electronics and valuables here inside this little cave and swim the rest of the way. And then tomorrow I'll bring a waterproof bag so I can actually bring everything with me. I do not trust this bridge. Oof. Oh man. I can't really see the depth of the water, but this is the only way in, so I gotta wait for a wave, and now. No problem, I need it. So now I'm gonna make my way over to that other beach. It'll be a little bit of a swim. Hopefully no sharks get me. So I made it to this beach. I interrupted two naked swimmers. But, so this is an old resort that's been since abandoned. I'd love to check it out sometime. But coming in is just too shallow for what I need. Wow, actually, I want to check this out. Checky. What is this? Man, I like how it's built into the rocks. Lots of magic mushrooms. But yeah, I'm gonna keep walking and try to find somewhere a little deeper. So the thing is, I need a sandy bottom. Like, there's plenty of coral that I could just, like, if I wanted to, like, move coral around and right out where you made me. But that would kill or at least damage the coral a lot. So I need a sandy bottom so I can just bring in rocks so that I don't damage any existing coral. So this one had a sandy bottom, but it is at like 2 meters, which is like 6 feet, and it's just not deep enough. Wow, this place is a dump too. It's just like a lot of glass. I know squatters like to live here a lot. Oh, they're building something, or they were. I should be careful about my feet. I don't want to cut my foot out here. But yeah, lots of like backpackers come here and they start a little community and they last for a little while. Yeah. Let me try to figure this out. There's some abandoned bungalows up there too, so if anyone wants free rent, there's abandoned bungalows on the beach. So it has started to rain and it's getting harder and harder, and I left my backpack with my drone and my iPad kind of in that cave, but water is going to start flowing down there pretty soon. So I need to get back as soon as possible. Because yeah, this is coming down pretty hard and it's getting faster and faster. Oh, which way was it? Oh, crap. Oh, that's a big jump. Oh man, I got a long swim back. If I can find my way back. Okay, so the rain's died down a little bit. So I'm in not too much of a hurry anymore. So I thought, I'm all the way out here. Might as well try to climb up and look over the other side. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm a little disappointed in here because this is a cool beach. It's actually like the beach where the most sea turtles lay their eggs here on the island. Since all the tourists came, most of the sea turtles stopped coming back here to lay their eggs. This is the one beach that they came back to. I'm tired, I can't film while I climb. I'm out of shape. It's kind of cool on the way up to the top of this rock. This cool little built-in staircase. Where am I going? I really hope there's no snakes inside these bushes. Come on. Let's see what we've got up here. I just want a good lookout point so I can see the coral down below. Alright, so from what I'm seeing, it's pretty rocky down here. But there might be one sand patch out by that buoy over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep walking this way and check down on the other side of this rock. Oh, if I can make it down. If there's any sandy spots. So you can see there's buoys out here, so a scuba boat could dock up out here. Okay, got to the edge on this side. It looks like it gets deep fast, which is good. Not seeing too much sand though, it's really hard to tell. I don't really want to go all the way down there to check. If I wasn't such a wimp, I'd just jump off the rock and get in, but that's a long drop. But yeah, if I was going to do it here, I could just sleep in those abandoned bungalows for a day or two and get everything ready. But I don't know if it'll be doable right here. So it's just a little too hard to tell what the composition of the ocean floor is over here from this high up. So I'm just going to have to go down there and snorkel around and see what I can find. Bird. Do you know of anywhere good to pose? I'm like trying to find somewhere kind of sandy, not too many triggerfish. You know anywhere? Okay, thanks a lot. So I just got up out of the water. I was swimming for about an hour and a half, and I definitely found some good options. So I'm gonna go check out one more area of the island. Hopefully I have time to do it today. I'll see how the roads are. But I like this area, good potential, but logistically it'll be a little pain in the butt just how far away it is. But I'm not too worried about how pain in the butt it is. I'm worried more about how much you'll like it. So I'm about to head up a hill to try to get to the other side of the island, but this is one of the steepest hills that I know of on the island, so I honestly don't know if I'll even make it up. I'll give it my best shot. I'm really wishing I had a dirt bike right now, but getting down is not too bad, but I just hope I can get back up. But this is still a ways to the beach, and yeah, it just wouldn't make sense to try to drive down here every time and then hike from here. So maybe we're gonna go with that other beach we were at this morning. I'm happy with it, it looked good, and I saw sharks there, which Mandy will be so excited if she sees some. So I just got back and took a quick shower. Mandy is still out diving, and she'll be diving again tomorrow. So I'll head back out that way tomorrow. And for now, I gotta figure out the logistical side, because we're gonna have a private boat, and neither of us have our own gear, so I have to rent some gear. Let's try to get everything figured out. I'm not quite sure how many days it'll be until we actually do it, but it's coming soon. So Mandy just got back from her dives, and
I swam with a whale shark. I dove with a whale shark, and it was so pretty. It was not like the biggest one I've seen, but he was so cute, so like young, so he was super curious and was getting so close. And I was diving, I was assisting a dive, and this one girl next to me that I was helping train, just like the whale shark was going straight at us, and so I was like, come at me, bro, like this is gonna be so cool, like I'm about to give this whale shark a hug. And the girl next to me was freaking out, like, oh my god, and so I grabbed her and like held her still, and he just turned right before hitting us, and it was so cool. And so hopefully we'll get some nice footage of that.
yeah, sometime soon. Whenever we take a camera, don't take a camera, we see cool stuff. So I just dropped Mandy off for her night dive. Ever since I got the bike, which I got for this proposal to figure everything out, for some reason she thinks I'm her personal chauffeur, so I've been driving her around. No, I don't mind it at all. But later tonight I'm meeting the people that have a little private scuba boat, and I'm meeting them at a bar to talk about renting their boat for a couple days to figure everything out, as well as the actual proposal. So yeah, hopefully tonight everything goes well. I'm meeting them on the other side of the island, so that'll be fun. Oh, and there's someone peeing right over there. That's always fun to watch. So I just met up with two people that have the hookup for the boat we can borrow, and everything sounds good. They're excited, I'm excited. It should be a good time.